This is the Sarsilmaz st9 9mm pistol. Is being made in Turkiye, Sarsilmaz company, and I guess it is one of the best 9mm pistols out there. I own this pistol. It's been a while. This works perfectly. I think it's the most reliable, or one of the most reliable, maybe one of the most reliable pistols ever made. And the capacity of the magazine is it that it holds 17 rounds in the magazine. And I think so. This is basically the release button of the magazine. When you press it downwards, the magazine is being released, and I have 17 rounds right now in this magazine. As you can see, 17 rounds of these 9mm bullets. So I think it is the best pistol to have, and this is the lock of the pistol. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all.